Alright, so we're at the chicken dinner check-in video 8, and this is the last video. We're gonna finish off our dinner. So, I had just boiled some water and thinned out the soup, because it was quite thick. This thickens pretty fast. So, I'm just gonna bring that up to temperature. Even though I added boiling water, I still need to bring it up a little bit. And then we're gonna take the chicken out. And we're gonna put the soy sauce on it to finish it off while I get the soup finished, plated, coleslaw, and that will be the end of our chicken dinner tutorial. If that's what you want to call it. So soy sauce on top. And like I said, typically, I usually have sesame seeds in the house, but I just use them up when I made pizza, because I like sesame in my crust. So we're gonna do that. Oh, I just washed my tongs. I'll be right back. Okay. Flip them. Oh, Jake, can you smell it, buddy? He's 10 minutes early. I'm like, Jake, you're early. Well, I may have ran home. He knew we were having a good dinner. Oh, Jake, it's falling off the bone. You said you could smell it outside?
Yeah, the back door.
That's awesome. You're in for a treat, buddy. Just executing it all, wrapping it up. Bringing soup up to temp. Bada bing, bada boom. Nice. Perfecto. Check that out. Right? Okay. Put that in there. Let it do its thing. And I'm going to plate everything, and then I'll come back and show you what it all looks like. So just hold up. Okay, so I thought I mentioned this. That's Jake's soup there. This is a restaurant thing. I spent so many years opening that for breakfast. And no, I just didn't have time. My prep list was huge. So I am in the habit of drinking my soup. I like my soup in a cup. So I would have a mug at my prep station and just be drinking my soup. So I personally like my soup in a cup, and Jake doesn't. Right, Jake?
Yeah, I just like a bowl.
A bowl. All right, buddy. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just put this soup over here. Because you might, if you want more, have more, right?
Right on.
Right on, right on. And the chicken's coming out. Yeah, buddy. You can grab the coleslaw out of the fridge, please. I have it portioned, ready to rock and roll.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the smaller one.
Yeah. Okay. Mine is definitely the smaller one. Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Right? Don't they look amazing? Super, super, super excited. Alright, buddy. How about that? It's just falling apart, man.
Right on.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of like a jumbo hot wing. basically how I made them.
Biggest takeaway I've learned from mom's cooking is patience pays off.
Don't take shortcuts. You can taste the shortcuts. Basically, hey?
Yeah.
That's my motto. And where's your coleslaw?
It's on the table.
Mm. See, we had a baked potato for lunch. That's why we're not having a starch. Right, Jakes?
Right.
And that is Jake's dinner. How about that, buddy?
Yeah, beautiful.
You're just like, give me my food. There you go, honey.
Thank you.
Cool. Well, that's my dinner right here. And a cup of soup. My cup. So, thanks for joining me. I am so excited to go eat. And then after I eat, I'm going to come back and teach you guys how to take care of your cast irons, because that's really important. A lot of people don't know the proper way to treat them. You make them non-stick. Anyway, I'll come back after dinner and just explain that. All right, love ya. Hope you guys enjoy your dinner. Bye.